Welcome. Today's video is another edition of Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Anyways, guys, this is where we put our Ipsy bags up against each other. But before we jump into the video, let me introduce my beautiful daughter Haley over here. She also has her own YouTube channel, and my name's Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD. And here we embrace the hot mess. We run on pretty much nothing but caffeine. Caffeine of choice is Southern Breeze Sweet Tea, not sponsored, but hey, check my description box down below. I'd love for you to contact me. Oh my god. It's end of the day. Whew! Anyways, not only do we embrace the hot mess and run on pretty much nothing but caffeine, but it's a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, we unbox makeup, and we just have a good old time here on the internet without any drama for this mama. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn your notification bell on because I upload all the time at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. All information, boom, in the description box down below. So let's just go ahead and jump into this unboxing, whatever you want to call it. Haley,
I'm so tired. I'm not.
I am too. I'm like slap happy.
Like, I'm not slap happy. Like, I'm past that point. Like, I'm gonna fall asleep driving home.
That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay, wait, before we jump into it, a little bit about Ipsy. Ipsy is a monthly makeup beauty subscription, skincare, hair care, all kinds of care is in this little bag. Oh gosh, she's peeking and I'm trying not to peek.
Taking too long.
It's $12 a month plus tax. They have different levels. Glambag Plus is a $25 plus tax. And we already did the unboxing, so I'll try and link it up here or at the end of the video for you guys. Okay, Haley is ready to go.
Yeah.
So let's do these.
So first things first, I bought an extra of the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara because that's my favorite ever mascara ever.
I did too because she keeps telling me it's good.
And she still hasn't tried it, so
but I have
who's
3.
gonna get all the backups if she hates it.
I didn't even think about it. I just hear such good things about it.
Low key, high key, very high key.
It was an add-on for $12, but FYI, that's all I got. Yeah, it retails for $24.
Did you add that on?
I did not.
Okay, then go. That's your first item.
Okay, so my first item is a Luxie brush from Luxie. It is a fan brush right here. So I don't really use fan brushes anymore. So this will end up in a giveaway, I can guarantee. Oh, unless you want to put it in your kit.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
My first item is the Faced Hangover primer, which I don't particularly like this primer.
No?
I mean, I like it as a moisturizer.
Yeah.
Not for priming. But it's really good for hydration, and yeah, so I like that. And I think it made my makeup stay pretty well.
Well, that's good.
I don't know, I just need a pore filler.
COLLAB Cosmetics Pore Filler Stick, $4. Save 10% with code HOTMESS10 is an affiliate code. It's amazing. Okay, so I did get a card this month. Last month, I don't think I got a card. So
I also got a card.
My next item is Beauty for Real lip gloss in the shade Nudist lip gloss. Okay, I'm not going to open it, but it's totally 100% my jam, my color. I don't know if it's probably not showing up. We'll see. Do you guys see that? It's like a pale peachy nude, so really pretty.
My next item is also a lip gloss. I'm opening it. This is the Jules Smith Beauty.
Have we had something like that?
I don't know, but it's in Moonbeam Dream.
I think I had that last
Can
month.
I see the mirror?
I don't even know where it's... Oh, it's like iridescent. That's pretty. That is really pretty. So what is this called? Beauty for Real?
Yeah, I like to use these as lip toppers, but I'm going to leave it on for the sake of this video. It's just an iridescent lipstick. Smells really good. Did you smell it?
No. Yeah.
Very faint, but I like it.
Okay, so we got to pick one of our items in our bag. So
I didn't do that.
I did do that. See, I knew I did my pickings, and I chose the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser because I love the watermelon stuff from Glow Recipe, so I was really excited to get to try that. So, and it seems to be a decent size, so definitely excited about that. Let's see if it has a seal. Oh, it does. I was hoping to smell it, but whatever. So happy with that.
My next item is this Ciate Glow to Go Illuminating Blush, and I've been so obsessed with blush recently. I don't know if you can tell, I have it on my cheeks and my nose.
Oh, it looks natural.
Yeah, that's what I was going for. Oh, it's so cute.
That is so pretty. Wait, is that Ciate Linda?
Yes.
That is just a miniature size of what we got in our Boxycharm.
Well, I don't have Boxycharm, so what you got, not me.
Oh, okay.
Or what your subscribers also got.
Oh, that is so pretty. You're gonna like that. I really like it.
Ooh.
Like, I have that shade.
I like this color.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now I know what I'm gonna use when I get ready for school tomorrow.
Okay, so my next item is the Charcoal Bamboo Detoxifying Body Scrub by, is it Theory Body? It's a big one. It's big. It's 1.5 ounces, so that's cool. It does say it has a retail value of $27, the full big 8-ounce size of it. Says it gives your skin, wait, if your skin gets extra dry and dull in the cold weather, yeah, a gentle exfoliator like this might be the ticket to brighter days. It has charcoal and stuff in it. It has stuff in it. We like that. My dyslexia was kicking in. I'm like, done.
My next item is the Pure Lace Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk for all skin types, and it removes makeup and tones and soothes, and it's sulfate free.
That's cool. I got the eye thing.
I'm like really hunched over right now.
Okay, my last item is the Brooklyn and Bailey Lash Next Door in Blackout.
I bought that.
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet.
So, and it's mascara. Sorry if I forgot to say that. So, I was excited. I'm always excited to try out mascaras. So, definitely make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because I like to shop my stash and come back and like give you guys mini reviews of things that I have and all of that. Retail value of this is $18 if it was the large size.
Ow.
So, that's everything in mine. What was your last item? This is, by the way, is what the bag looks like. Sorry, guys.
Oh, yeah. I got the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Shadow Eye Candy and Venus.
Ooh, that's pretty. I like it. Oh, it's a Ipsy Try-On. That's actually really pretty. And she's got like a burgundy eyeliner, but you guys really can't see it.
It's eyeshadow. I was trying something and then I realized I had to leave for school in 5 minutes and I wasn't dressed and I had to let my dog out and I had to pack my lunch and I had to fill up my water bottle and get coffee, but then I forgot coffee, so.
Okay, give me your thoughts on your bag.
I like it. I could have done without the Hangover primer because that's just so tiny and it's, I don't know, I don't really like it. But I liked everything else. It was good. Not overwhelmed, not underwhelmed. I'm neutral.
Honestly, I actually like my bag.
You win.
You think so?
Yeah, because I was just a neutral.
It's crazy. I actually like this bag better than I like the Ipsy Plus that I got. I do. So, okay guys, so I always put this Ipsy up against Sephora. We'll be coming back and doing our Sephora Play versus Play. And then later in the month, I'll be doing the Ipsy versus Sephora Play. So please make sure to stay tuned for that and hit that subscribe bell. No, subscribe button and the notification bell. Up, there's dinner. Okay guys, that's going to be all for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. We're not as peppy because it's the end of the day and we're tired. We are tired.
Tomorrow's Friday and I can't wait. Today's my only day off.
I feel like today, it's Thursday when we're filming this, January 16th. It has felt like Friday all day long. When I've realized 3 times today it wasn't Friday, it was really hard.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. Okay guys, don't forget to follow me over on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Check my description box down below for Hailey's channel, as well as I do have a referral link to Ipsy. This video is not sponsored or anything. I don't get a kickback in the referral link. It's just what you get when you sign up. So check it down there if you are interested in this $12 bag. Okay guys, so we are hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye.
Also, look at my little
Extension.
fusion extension. Ooh. It's a green blonde. Okay, bye.